I will give you everything you need for you to have a profitable faceless channel, meaning a YouTube channel where you never have to show your face, irrespective of the needs or the topic that you will be handling on your channel. And yes, you can grow a popular channel without ever showing your face. We will be looking at several examples with hundreds of thousands and even millions of subscribers. And yes, a faceless YouTube channel can be monetized like every other channel. We'll be looking at the different methods of producing these videos. You will be a creator, so you are not just copying other people's videos and reposting them. You are creating your own videos because that is what YouTube likes. And also YouTube likes to hear your voice, so we won't be using any automated voice or machine voice or AI voices. No, you will be using your own voice by making voiceovers. And so that means your audio is very important. You need to have a rich, crisp, clean sound, and that would involve you investing in a very good microphone, whether you're using a smartphone or your laptop or a professional camera. And for some of the forms of videos we will be discussing today, you will need very good lighting, richer lights like soft boxes and other kinds of bigger lights to cover large surface area. And also, depending on the type of video, you might need a screen recorder. And for some recent smartphones, they come with native inbuilt screen recorders that can record your screen on your smartphone and audio. However, if you want more advanced functionalities, you might need a screen recording app or a screen recording software. The first type of videos you can make for your faceless YouTube channel is B-rolls videos. There is A-roll and there is B-roll. What you are watching now is A-roll. This is the main line of action. However, if I switch the camera away from me and start shooting any other thing, that is B-roll. For example, product review videos and unboxing videos where the camera only show your hands. You will focus your camera down to show your hands unboxing or reviewing or explaining a particular physical product while you do your voiceover explaining and describing what you are experiencing. This is especially popular in tech videos and tech review channels. Flux HD, Quantum Tech HD, Cool Gadgets. You could have a craft channel or DIY, do it yourself channel where you actually going through the process of creating while the camera is just showing your hands creating and making and doing things. 5-minute crafts and the crafts channel. Also Power Vision, and closely related to that are demo videos or walkthroughs. For example, cake or baking channels or cooking channels or channels where they sew clothes or make shoes. You can do a demo of the process or showing your hands or parts of your body doing these things. Tasty recipes, Jenny slimes, you suck at cooking. Screen recording or screen casting. You simply record your screen while you go through processes on the screen. Tutorials, especially software tutorials. For example, how to set up a YouTube ad or how to design on Canva, and you simply go through the process of clicking and cutting and pasting and moving things all while recording your screen. And to achieve this, you will need a screen recording software or app like OBS, Filmora Screen, Camtasia, Screencast-O-Matic, and that's one I love and recommend a lot, StreamYard, to actually record your screen. And there are several screen recorders out there. Gaming is another very powerful niche. Play the game while recording your gameplay, and you can do this on your PC or your smartphone. And if you are using your smartphone for this, make sure you keep it at landscape, but if you record it on portrait, you can still edit the video to come out at landscape using a video editor. Some popular apps that record your screen include things like Mobizen and X Recorder. And then you could use things like KineMaster or CapCut or InShot on your smartphone to edit it properly. Or if you're on your laptop, you could use something like Shortcut or Filmora or Camtasia or Screencast-O-Matic to edit your screen recording. Urim Berisha Softside PPC, and for phone, AJ Kaja TV. And by the way, if you are finding this video very helpful, do well to hit the like button and I'll deeply appreciate it. Stock footages and stock images. This is simply using professionally produced videos and images and having a voiceover with the images and footages or videos explaining and highlighting what you are saying. All you need is to go to sites where you can get copyright-free stock footages and images, downloading those relevant images that will further explain and bring to life what you are saying with your voice. Popular here are meditation and relaxation videos and channels where they simply get relaxing footages and images and then use music, or very importantly, guided meditation where you use your voice to guide people to relax or to go to sleep or to meditate. And one very good way to do this is to go to the YouTube audio library to download audios and sound effects to use with the footages and images while giving some form of narration or guided meditation or motivation depending on the format of the video or the topic of the video. So one channel that is doing very well using stock images and stock videos is A-Lux and Tuna Cheki. Have your storyline and simply record your audio using things like Audacity, or simply record it with your smartphone sound recorder depending on what message you want to pass. And go to sites like pexels.com or pixabay.com or unsplash.com to get relevant images and videos to accompany your voiceover, and you edit them neatly, making sure that every sentence you make has a corresponding and relevant image and video to go along with. Slides. And it's very simple. You design slides expressing your message or what you want to say, and record your screen and also your voice while you make commentaries on the slides. You can simply design your slides on, say, PowerPoint or Google Slides or Keynote or Canva using just text, and record your screen using a screen recorder, also your voice, and then you edit them together. You can put images on the slides, video clips on the slide, audios on the slides, animations on the slides to make it rich like a multimedia. This is especially very powerful for people whose channel is largely educational. Dr. Sam Robbins. Next is animations, whiteboard animations. This is simple as making whiteboard videos or doodle videos, either in text or images or complex animations, while you have your voiceover. It can be used for either an educational channel or an entertaining channel where you even have comedies or cartoons. And there are several software out there that you can use: Powtoon, XPlay, Doodly, Animaker, VideoScribe, Easy Sketch Pro, and some channels that are using this format of videos: Paddy Galloway, Practical Psychology, Art of Improvement. And it's as simple as using this software to make your animations, whether it be text or cartoons, reflecting what you are saying using your voiceover. And the software does everything for you, and you could move it to a video editor if you require some additional inputs. One thing common with all of these videos is editing. Click here to watch this video on how to use Shortcut, a free professional editing software, simple to use, light on your PC, to edit your videos for your Faceless channel. Play big, and I'll see you in the next video.